It's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Kiss Me from Liveglam. This is a monthly lippie subscription box. I'm doing a top down. I'm making a bunch of videos like this because I didn't really want to get dressed today. So anyway, we're gonna do it like this. This subscription is $19.99 a month. It includes 3 lip products. So if you do the math, it comes out to a really good deal. It does have free US shipping, and then they do have $3.99 shipping for international, which is really cool. I know a couple of you guys are outside the United States, and this is a really great option. So I'm gonna pause this so I can open it up because I'm one-handed here and make the best of this. So this is what comes inside our package. There's a little insert with the theme for the month. It says Liveglam, Kiss Me, Spill the Tea. And there's our 3 colors. What is that? A little fuzz. Okay. So we have hot tea. Those are the colors. Oh, they go through all the colors and explain them to you. Pigmented brown gloss will instantly make things hot and steamy. Consider this rich and luscious shade to be the honey to your tea. Nudie tea. Feel like you're in the birthday suit with this. I like that color. I love nude shades. I know, like, some people are not into them. I love them. Matte nude. You may even break the internet with all that nudity. And then there's celebrity. Look at that. That's perfect for fall. This glamorous matte mauve taupe lippie will have you looking like a Hollywood celebrity. Watch out for the paparazzi when wearing this shade. Isn't this girl gorgeous, by the way? All right, and then the bag has just, you know, social sharing, things like that. And chai glamours. Be ready to spill the tea on our new Kiss Me lippies. Okay. All right, so let's see these babies. I'm going to open this up again with pausing this. All right, so here are our shades. I love this packaging. I think it's gorgeous. It has like that frosted outside. I just think that's super pretty and kind of like a, not rose gold, like, but a bronzish, copperish, that color, very pretty. So this is the different shades. This is the celebrity, and this is the nudity, oops, and then this, what's this one called? I forget. Is it on there? I don't know. Hot tea. So let me swatch them real quick. I'll be right back. So just so you guys can see, this is the applicator. It's a nice little doe foot. This formula smells like vanilla frosting. So if you're into that, you are going to love these. It smells so good. So good. So here they are swatched. This from the left to the right this is the celebrity, which is going to dry down. It's not completely dry. I think it might have a little bit, like, you know, just slightly dewy, you know, satin finish to it, but I think it might dry down a little more matte than it is. I think this color is gorgeous. It is my favorite in this collection. That was like one swipe and it was there. Beautiful. This is the nudity. That's the one in the center. That's a super matte one, but it went on like a dream. It was like, it didn't pull. Now I haven't put these on my lips yet, and I probably will. Make a video with them using them, and I am also going to link down below to my full review where I'll wear them on all my lips, on my lips. Like, I will wear all of these on my lips, try them out, let you guys know. But this went on really nice. And then this one is the hot tea, which is just a gloss, which is great to go over the top, probably of either of these, but particularly that nude. That would be really pretty together. Actually, let's try it out and see what it looks like. Well, looky there. That's really pretty. That's a great fall combo. I love that. So that is the Liveglam Kiss Me. $19.99 a month. That's a pretty darn good deal if you ask me. And then they do little spoilers and let you guys know what's coming up in that month. And they do typically fit the seasonal themes and themes for, like, you know, colors and stuff like that. I think these are gorgeous though. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!